Sustainability is very important in textile industry. With the ERGO, or the electronic right-hand side gripper opener, Picanol integrates the sustainability in the design and the concept of the weaving machine. The ERGO makes it possible to electronically control the opening of the right-hand side gripper, instead of the traditional and fixed mechanical opener. With the electronic right-hand side gripper opener system, one can choose the moment of opening of the gripper according to the weft channel. Not only when weaving a wide variety of different weft yarns, but also if you're using only one type of filling yarn, the ERGO is the best solution for following 3 reasons. As this is now an electronic setting, you can easily copy that setting to machines weaving the same article, or when you have to repeat that article in the future. The length can be optimized for each weft channel or filling yarn, and this while the machine is in operation, so you see an immediate result or effect of your setting change. Finally, the length of the right-hand side waist can be kept to an absolute minimum, optimizing the use of the filling yarn. With the use of the ERGO, Picanol sets another step towards full digitization of the weaving machine. To the next one.